Hello friends, it's the next day again. We did not paint yesterday. We had a little mishap with the paint gun. It exploded and it did not spray paint. And that was really confusing because putting it away from using it on the interior, I was so careful. I even got my brother to help me. So careful. Cleaned it out so well, used all the paint thinner, put it away properly. But anyways, I had to go spend another almost $400 on a new paint gun. At this point, with the cost of primer, body filling, the paint, top and bottom, I could easily have gotten this done professionally. But on the other side, I'm learning new skills, and I wish I could learn what I did wrong with the paint gun, because heaven forbid I do it with the brand new one, but still, I'm learning new skills, we're making content, we're having a good time. Let's paint. Okay, I think we can all agree this is looking freaking awesome! Oh my gosh. All that sanding, all that hard work, it's paying off. It sucks though because the white is highlighting a couple issues, because why not? There always will be issues, I think. It's an old trailer, but the biggest one is there is this area that needs to be addressed. Before I top coat, I'm really trying not to do too much more as far as obsessing over the bumpiness of the body, because this has become a bit of an obsession and I'm honestly not thrilled with the level of smoothness, but it is a lot better. So much better. For real. Loving this. Oh my gosh. And this is only primer, you guys. So I'll do just a small amount of body work and then we'll go on to the next layer. I still have to do the other side of the door primer though. We have to wait for that. All right, you guys. She's so pretty. Take a look. The Boler's been curing for about an hour now, but it is a 4-hour cure before I am able to paint. But look how good this looks. Come on now. I'm in love. I'm actually so in love that I'm not sure. Should we keep it all white? So I will not get your answers until I'm very much past this step. So what I'm going to do first is tape off the top and put plastic over it, because both top and bottom need to be painted. So first I'm going to paint the color that I choose on the bottom, the suspense, and then I'm going to see if I like that color, because I'll be able to just see with the primer and the color if it's a good match. If I like it, great. If I don't like it, maybe I just paint the whole thing white. So hang it with me while I tape everything up. What do you think? I'm so bored. Please, I beg. I just need this. One thing about Willow is you cannot just pass her the ball. You must throw it to her. She will not take a ball if it's only passed. She doesn't want it like that. Every time. All right, let's tape this up. This is one of those moments where I wish I had a helping hand. How am I supposed to do this? My last drop sheets came in a flat folded pack. All right, you guys, it's happening. Why am I nervous? All right, I'm gonna have my mask off just for a second so I could show you guys the POV of the first application of paint. All right, it's time. I have the paint. Are we ready? Oh God, I hope this looks good. What? Okay, that better dry differently. Are you you guys ready for the grand reveal? It doesn't look like much. It's dark outside and, you know, there's plastic on it. This is what she looks like. I almost took this very satisfying moment away from you. My bad. Not bad. I will touch that up with some nail polish remover and that. It's looking clean. Look at that. Remember how bumpy this was? Take a look at that. It's not perfect, but it's really close. Really close to perfect. Love that. Hi you guys. Alright, so today is a bit of a bittersweet day. We are rolling the Boler out. I am going to begin my journey home, and it does take a few days to get home, so it'll be also a little camping adventure. And I feel so happy and so sad. So happy because honestly I miss my home a lot. But sad because this has been so pleasant staying at my family's property. Shout out you guys, thank you. And also just staying in a different climate. I'm a couple days drive away from home, so it's been really pleasant just enjoying summer in a different part of Canada. So there is still a lot to be done on the Boler, still tons of work. We sort of unfortunately ramshackled some stuff just so that I could get on the road. Put the windows back in with the original frames because the frames that I built don't fit. Did a bit of a ramshackle electrical job and still have to work on that a little bit. Yeah, just I guess pieced it together enough that I can drive it, but there's still work to be done. So we will continue this restoration journey when I get home. But for now, here's the Boler. She is looking cute. And now I can open up the fence again and make my escape. All right, we are locked and loaded, ready to go. So, I guess that's it. Let's roll out. So as you can see, she is riding high. Look at that. Very high in the back, very low in the front. This was a little bit of an issue already after putting the new frame on, but now it's really an issue now that it's fully loaded. So I am going to run into town and pick up a new hitch and install it at the store. How goofy does this thing look? I can't stand it any longer. I bought a hitch.